Today's projects are those cute mini tags. Same mini, they're actually same size as my hand, fairly big. Heat embossed, I'm using super cute Christmas dies and stamps, and I'll play around with ribbons and trimmings. Keep watching the tutorial, guys, and I will see you very soon. Right, guys, excuse the mess, but it's the reality, to be fair. So right, in my head, what I want to do, I want to do 2 layers on a tag, and I want to use, today I'm going to be using, it's brand new, I got it from eBay. I don't know if it's a copy of a designer or a specific brand, but it took a few good weeks to arrive, so I'm assuming it's coming from Far East. So I don't know if it's a copy or a brand, or is it just like, you know, his own design. But when I saw this, I was like, oh, I can make some Christmas tags with those. So I got these from Jane Allmark when I've done my Happy Mail from Jane, and I put the link on here, guys, in case you missed it, go and check it out. So I thought to use this die here to cut the circle shape, and I've got here don't worry about this, but I will do a separate video about how I'm organising of my die cutter stamp set. I thought to use this tree die to cut this one here because it looks like a tree, and this one there. So we create a couple of, possibly, no, I think it's just, oh, possibly this one. Yeah, because you've got the old tree in there. So do 1, 2, and 3. And then the rest, we're gonna use the wreath. Okay, and then, so we're gonna use those 2 dies. And then on the back, so the second layer, I'm going to use, I got the scraps here. I hope they're gonna be enough. If not, we're just gonna cut some more. This is from the traditional Christmas design pad from The Works. So I got this for £3. It's a beautiful paper pad. Absolutely gorgeous designs. I really recommend it. I got 2 of those. I mean, look at that, looks so cute. We could possibly use that as well, because there's a lot of trees. In fact, let's get this as well. Okay, put that aside. So let's start with creating the base of our tag. So I'm using the this is a very old Stampin' Up punch, which you get the scallop effect here with the hole in the middle, so you can put your ribbon through. They are 2 inches wide. So I thought maybe we do this for the wreath and the Santa Claus and the trees for the tree, if I'm making sense. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut 2 inches. And roughly, yeah, they're probably about here, a longer length, because when you put this on the punch here, we're going to lose a tiny bit. So probably we can always adjust the length later on. So just make sure I'm cutting straight. So I need so they are for the garland, so we need 3, 3, 6, 8. So I need 5 of those. So we've got 2. I'm gonna get so roughly use that as a template to kind of guide me when I cut them. Have you guys started your Christmas crafting? Let me know in the comment, because I'm really interested to see. I work full-time in a very crazy environment, so I always start that's not enough. I always start earlier because normally I run out of time because work gets mental, and I don't really get as many days off and stuff like that. So I tend to start in advance and organize myself that way. So yeah, and I always said, to me, Christmas is not December, it's more like a season. So we start to be earlier to enjoy the actual season. Okay, so that's the base of the 5 tags. So what we're going to do Going to put that through there. You can see the back here. Right, so let me show you there. So you get the scallop tag. Okay, so we're going to do the same with all of them. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's for the garland. And then we're going to do exactly the same. I do off camera, guys, because it's very monotonous. I don't want to bore you with the other paper pad. We have the bases of our tags. Okay, so I'm going to leave them aside for the moment. And now we're going to stamp those ones into white cardstock. Now, this is really thick cardstock. It's 220 GSM. So what we're going to do, we're going to heat emboss those little cute tags in there. And I want to show you, this is my box. When I keep my heat emboss power. This is actually from Wilco. I got it a couple of years ago. It's huge. So I keep all my bits and bobs. So we're going to use the embossing stamp pad, and we're going to use not the copper. We're going to use the gold one. And of course, I need these. Okay, let me put these away. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to stamp all of this into here, and then we are going to heat and emboss. I'm going to do off camera because it's going to be a bit noisy, so I don't want to bother you. So I'm just going to put some really nice music on the background. I'll see you shortly. All nice and done. Now, silly me, I made a mistake because I stamped them way too close to each other, and I realized when I got to the tree and I was like, oops, that's way too close. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna die cut what I can on this one, so but I have to repeat the process for the other ones. But look how beautiful. I hope the light will pick it up. But they're so nice and shiny, really beautiful. So I'm gonna get my Big Shot out, and then we're gonna die cut this element. Look at what we have. A little tree, have yourself a merry little Christmas. And this is exactly the same sentence, but look how cute the fonts are. In here is the Christmas, little happiness and joy continue. Oh, bless. Wishing you and yours a very Merry Christmas and a wonderful Happy New Year. May your days be merry and bright. Happiest of holidays to yours. Sending you tidings and confident joy. And last is it's the most wonderful time of the year. I can't sing, guys. I've got many talents. I'm joking. But I can't sing. So let me zoom out. So we're gonna mount these together. So I thought this goes here because of the tree. Okay, so we're gonna put a hole. And also what I found when I was messing about, I found this is another Stampin' Up punch which will make you banners. So what you do is simply cut the edge, and then it creates a little banner. So of course I need to chop it a bit. Yeah, so what we're gonna do, I'm not gonna talk about because it's pretty straightforward, but we're going to put a hole in there. I'm going to mount it all together, and then we're going to put a little ribbon in there. I done off camera because I thought you don't want to see me struggling doing this because it's very fiddling. I put 3 layers of white, red and this gold trimming. I found this on eBay. It was a bag full of oddments and trims and bits and bobs. And there was this metal one, which it comes, I think it was in three rows, and I cut it into 2 and now I cut into 1, just to give it that extra, you know, sparkle and detail. But now what I found as well is this really light white organza ribbon. Excuse me. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to create them all. You all know how to put a hole and play with ribbons. So rather than me showing you how I've done that, because it's very straightforward. There's a hole in there and then you play with different layers, and then I attached a little cute bow in there. So I'm gonna make them all, guys, and I come back and I show you all different variations of my tags. Okay, so I see you in a very second. Let me show you one by one. So we got 1, and again on here I have put, in fact, this is my background for the picture of this year, if you noticed. It's put in here so you probably can see it better. Yes. Red and green, I introduced this brighter green, which is, I think it works really well with the cardstock, the printer cardstock, and the white organza little ribbon there. Then we got deep green, like a really dark green, and red, and I put a little on each one of this wreath. I put a little bow, mini bow on the bottom, so just finish it off. And I think, oh, that's it. You can see it now, there. And then similar, got the red, and I use a lace white, again because I think it works really well with the white of the wreath. And I like this lace with red. I think it's really rich and royal, if we can say that. In here again, we got deep red, deep green, and the lace. So the ribbon is now on the lace. Few more. Again, deep green, white, and a red ribbon. And then you saw me doing this. Those 2 are with the gold trimming, and then I use a simple white ribbon in there, and a lace ribbon on that one. And then last is green bow with a white and red ribbon. And look how the tiny little bows. I just found on the bottom of that box, and I thought really worked together. Okay, guys, I hope you like this video. It's just a bit of entertainment for you guys. Let me know if you've started your Christmas crafting, or if you're more like a last minute person. Let me know on the description down below. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, don't forget to give me the usual thumbs up, because I will support the video doing well. If you're not already, guys, please subscribe to my channel. That will mean a lot to me. As usual, any chit chats or any video requests, I'm on Instagram, and I will put the link on the screen now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a lovely day, and I will see you very soon. Bye.